That is an outstanding burger. It is bursting with flavour. It's got guacamole in there. It's got a patty that is just injected from all sides with flavour.
I'm going to put some salt on this and I'm going to make crackling.
I love the fact that it's a burger and chip challenge.
Don't say I don't do anything properly, Trudy. Trude. Okay, Pro.
You can do heaps with burgers.
Got to get this done, Trudy.
I really think that this is one of the best challenges we could do, because just about every New Zealander cooks a burger at least once a month. Hopefully today they're going to get some great ideas for cooking burgers at home.
Burgers are best when they're bad. If you're going to go with a burger, you might as well go all the things that you really love.
So we decided we're going to make a pork and slaw slider.
I actually want some coconut milk and some peanut butter.
The pantry's open, guys, so you want to go in there, you go in there.
They don't have normals, I just use panko. Okay. You always discover new things in the pantry.
What's happening here? Potatoes?
Chips being parboiled and with a bit of baking soda.
Certainly been boiled.
Triple cooked chips, which involves parboiling them, taking them out, storing them somewhere cool, and throwing them in the deep fryer. Take them out, throwing them back in the deep fryer. 30 minutes might be a bit tight.
But 30 of your time's gone, guys. 1/3 of your time is gone. You've got 20 minutes left to go, OK?
How are we going with our blue cheese burger?
I'm just doing a tester of the patty now.
Tester, so it's a good time for me to hang around?
It depends if it's good or not.
Yeah,
I'll
come
test
on,
first, and if it's
I'm
nice,
coming
then
around
you
your
can
side.
second.
OK, so what's going on? You're soaking the onions.
Yeah, they're for our crispy onions to go with our blue cheese burger.
Ooh, what are you soaking them in? I can smell like cayenne in there or something.
There's paprika, a bit of garlic, just some milk, and yeah, just to take away the bitter flavour.
So we don't stink of onions tomorrow when we go to work, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Casey, do you want to taste this? Oh, it's quite loose.
Yeah, you can try some.
When I first taste it, I know that it needs more salt and more spice in it, so that's what I add.
Feel free to do me another taster, you know, if you'd like.
15 minutes in, we were like, OK.
No, we've got to hurry. We've got to try those chips. We've got to salt them. We need to make a dressing.
Well, can you do that?
Well, Trude, I'm just doing this, and I'm trying to toast the sesame seeds, and I'll make the satay, OK?
I want the patties to be perfect.
Just want to try one of these.
We want to be able to taste the lime.
There's a whole lot of sort of happy chitter-chatter and clatter-clatter going on out there, isn't there? It's nice.
It's great, and I timed it perfectly with Casey and Karina. They're just doing their little taster of their burger, and it was absolutely delicious.
Tanisha and Verena have got a great little beetroot pickle that they're making to go in their burger. The boys' Mexican burger, they're going hard, they're going spicy. So I'm sure it's going to be full-on burger. Burgers, come on, I want them to pack a bit of punch as well. We want strong flavours. This is a burger after all.
Not long now, 10 minutes, and we're going to have a tasty burger.
Whew. The patties are just getting a bit more colour on them.
What are you making in there? What is it?
It's just a little satay.
Yeah, you got 5 minutes. Make it pretty.
Oops. Ah, you burned me.
Sorry.
Still need to be cooked once more.
Just caused a bit of a spillage.
And it looks like a bomb's gone off that bench.
You thought about presentation? You've got another 2 minutes to get it bang on, guys. Something a little bit different, eh? Take us to Mexico.
Take us to Mexico.
90 seconds, 90 seconds.
Here's some mayo, Tanisha.
Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You want it on both sides of the bun, yeah?
I think so.
Yep.
Do you taste the relish?
Yep.
1 minute, guys, OK? 1 minute left.
It's a mad rush to the end. As usual, we're kind of flinging things on the plate at this point.
Yeah, 30 seconds to go, guys. Who's putting a stamp in their passport?
Mate.
Come on, guys, come on. 15 seconds.
Don't not have a burger on the plate for us.
Come on, guys, come on.
Make sure they're the crispy ones.
Just want some grater on the plate. We just didn't finesse it the way we needed to.
You try and load a burger in 6 seconds. It's hard. You did well.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking, guys.
All right.
Burgers are up.
Looks beautiful, Tanisha. Looks beautiful. We had trouble with our chips. Unfortunately, the chips aren't as crispy.
I think they're good.
I would have liked them a little bit more crispy.
1 second, yeah.
Big with Mexican flavours, bigger.
No subtlety today.
Yeah, there's no subtlety. Even the salsa is like in your face.
Yeah, it's probably going to kill them when they try it.
James and Glenn, let's go, boys.
I hope that they like hot food. Otherwise, we've made a fundamental error of judgment.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
Pretty grunty, yeah.
Nice big beef patty.
Beef and pork patty.
Beef and pork patty.
Yep,
okay.
with spices. The bun itself has got guacamole on one side. It's got a chipotle mayo on the other side.
Yep.
You've got your salads through there. And then it's served up with thrice-cooked chips with paprika dust.
Yep.
And a salsa.
We obviously hope that they really like the burger.
Yeah,
right? But no one's going to boo us off stage or anything like that if they don't, so...
It's nice. Great. I think you've got great flavour. It's a really meaty patty. And that's good. I love avocado. Avocado on the base, like a guacamole is beautiful. Chipotle aioli. Nice bit of lettuce, nice bit of onion. Works through there. Even it's just thinly raw sliced. Sort of salsa on the side is spicy. You could go a lot hotter than that, I think.
Have to remember that one.
More entire chilies in there.
Yeah.
So chips are really nice, actually. What did you dust them in?
That's actually Cajun seasoning and salt.
See, I didn't realise until Lynn mentions it that the seasoning on the chips was Cajun. I thought the idea was just to put paprika on them.
And they're crispy too. Well done.
Thanks.
Best chips I've had so far. Crispiness-wise.
Yeah, crispy-wise, which is, you know...
All right, I've just rolled up to your takeaway joint. What's the burger called?
You're there on the spot, and Simon wants an answer.
I'm in your burger joint. I'm looking up at the blackboard, and it says it's a...
My mind goes blank. Go, James.
We'll call it the hola, senor.
The hola, senor.
Hola, senor.
Simon just picks the burger up, stuffs it in his face.
You can see in his face pretty much immediately. His stare is different.
You know, there was a point in this competition where I really wondered how long you boys would last. There is now a point in this competition where I actually think you guys have actually really earned your spot. That is an outstanding burger. It is bursting with flavour. It's got guacamole in there. It's got a patty that is just injected from all sides with flavour. A bun that suits it so well. Fries that are crispy, salty, with a salsa that I just want to sit there and demolish. I think it is a sensational burger. You want to be thinking about a burger joint, I tell you what, because you'd have people queuing up to eat that.
But I'd be the boss and Glenn would be my subordinate.
Yeah, that's right.
Wonders never cease to amaze me. But, you know, I'm so happy for you guys.
We look in each other's eyes, we connect. I think that's just what he's looking for, you know, just a hug.
And a punch in the face.
You're not sitting down the bottom of the pack.
Yeah.
You're sitting at the top of the pack.
I must say, sitting on top of everyone else is quite comfortable.
Awesome, guys. Well done.
We're still totally fighting to keep going in this competition. We want to get to the end.
Whatever, shut up, Simon, give us our prize.
You don't quite believe it, though, until, you know the full result.
Trudy and Shelley, you're next up.
I'm thinking, wow, I hope ours blow them away because there's some amazing burgers up there. Amazing.
We wanted to eat them.
No, you did.
Oh.
Sliders.
Pork and slaw sliders.
And what have we got over the back here? We've got a spoonful of...
It's just a
Sweet chili
mayo.
And the little crunch here.
Pork crackling.
Oh, pork crackling. Oh. How good is that? Oh, you got to try one of these.
Are they good?
Yeah, you dip that in there and then into the pork crackling.
Oh, really?
They're really good. That was a very clever idea.
Everyone
pretty
likes
good.
pork crackling.
I think I'd be ordering a second serving.
That's a problem with sliders.
You know they're good, eh? Man, this competition just gets better and better. I need somebody to bring us something bad so we can talk about it. But I can taste the lime in that burger, and I would have never thought I'd be tasting a burger and go, lime's good in it. But it is good in there. You know, the pork and the slaw, it's crunchy. It's what every Kiwi identifies with a great slaw. chips dipped in chili mayo with pork crackling is a total winner.
Whose idea was it to do the pork crackling and then dip in there?
Oh, dipper here.
Is that the dippy one? Yeah. Fantastic. Yum. Great little sliders. I think they're absolutely fantastic. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
So where are we going to go overseas?
Anywhere.
Where? Anywhere. Doesn't matter, as long as it's out in New Zealand.
Yeah.
Do you want to go together or separately?
Together. Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
All right.
You always win.
We're feeling pretty good, but there's a lot of positive feedback. So it's anyone's game.
All right, Karina and Casey, up you come.
Let's go. So everyone made different burgers and different flavours, different proteins. Basically, everyone's dish is really strong.
Righto, what have we got here?
So these are crispy perimeter chips with an aioli, and it's a pretty tasty blue cheese sauce with a beef patty. There's a little bit of horseradish underneath, crispy onions and a cornichon on top.
The kuma chips are outstanding. They're so crispy, they're beautifully fried. They're very, very light. A little bit of aioli on them is not a bad thing. The little blue cheese beef burgers are beautiful. You've got lovely little crisp onion rings. There's a little bit of spice through there. Patties are very, very, very moist. What else did you put in there other than beef?
Bacon, onion, garlic, Worcester sauce, Tabasco, paprika, breadcrumbs,
It's not your average burger. They're just so nice to eat. They're lovely to eat, and they are actually quite light as well. They're not hugely heavy, and I think that's part of these little slider buns, which are great. So clever presentation, great burgers, great flavour. Well done.
Thank you.
Love the pile of kumara chips. It's a little bit soft in some of them, huh?
Yeah.
Remember when you cooked them and you said it's a little loose?
I think that looser patties are better than tighter ones. I don't want a chewy meat patty. I'd rather you bite it and then it just melts in your mouth.
You know, if you sort of look at it, it sort of crumbles apart really easily.
Yeah.
I would have liked that patty to just hold together a little bit more. Do you agree when you look at it like that?
Yep.
It just would need to be a little bit more bound together. And I'm being really picky, you know, because we've just had a lot of good burgers.
You want to win, but you're just hopeful, that's all.
Well done.
Thank you. We don't think we've won the challenge with our burger.